Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, March 20th, 2026. I hope you're having a great first day of spring. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about silver dropping and why it's opportunity. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's a true passion of mine to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, we're seeing silver is having a huge pullback right now. And, you know, I don't worry about it at all. I look at it as a buying opportunity. You know, a lot of people, they see this and they're part of my Quicksilver team and they're reaching out to me panicking that, you know, they're losing money and, you know, they don't know why it's going down. And there's a lot of reasons why silver is going down right now, but that's a whole different video. I just wanted to talk to you about how, you know, you shouldn't panic right now, okay? You're still exchanging your fiat currency, which is backed by nothing, for something that's tangible and has real value when you exchange your currency for silver, okay? And it's something that historically, it has always gone up. So even though we see silver pulling back right now, you know, like currently this morning it was around $70 an ounce spot price. But last year at this time, it was $30 spot price. Okay, so even though we had that huge up run at the beginning of the year where it was around $120 an ounce, it being at $70 is still up from last year at the same time, right? So, I mean, silver is very volatile. It goes up and down, you know. But if you bought silver last year at this time, you still more than doubled your money. So instead of it being at $120 like it was just a couple of months ago, being at $70 for somebody like myself who stacks silver regularly, it's a huge buying opportunity because I know that the market is just adjusting itself and it's going to continue to go back up, right? We've talked about it before in my other silver videos, how there's only a finite supply of silver here on Earth. You know, it can't be created in a lab or anything like that. So when you have something that there's only a certain amount of and the demand for it just increases more and more every day, it's going to go up. It's going to continue to go up. So I don't let these, you know, up and downs bother me at all. I don't even really pay attention anymore to the spot price. I just keep stacking silver. Because I know in the long run, you know, in 10, 20, 30, 50 years from now, it's going to be worth a fortune. And, you know, I look at it as a long-term investment, but I also look at it as, you know, like I said, trading your fiat currency backed by nothing for something that's tangible and has real value anywhere in the world. You can take a piece of silver anywhere in the world and they'll recognize it. All right, and it's used for currency. It has been used for currency for thousands of years. Far longer, you know, way before paper money was ever created. So to me, it's a fun hobby. You know, I look at it as a hobby. You know, I'm learning about numismatic stuff and coins from all over, and it's just fun to collect, you know, coins, for me anyway. So I'm not looking at this as a negative thing that silver is at $70 an ounce right now, and just a couple of months ago it was at $120 an ounce. You know, I don't look at that as a negative thing at all. That's just the market playing out. It's going to continue to go up and down like this probably forever. But the point of it is that, you know, historically speaking, it's gone up over time. So it's like the stock market. But you're actually getting something tangible instead of something that's just on paper, you know? And smart people don't chase the highs, you know? I'm not chasing the highs. And I'm not saying I'm an expert with silver or anything like that. I'm certainly not. But I'm not worried about what the high is going to be. I'm not worried if it goes down to $50 because I just look at that as a buying opportunity, right? Whenever it's down low, I'm just looking at, this is a perfect time to buy more. Perfect time to buy more. Perfect time to stack more, right? I'm looking at it as like a discount window where I can buy more silver knowing that it's going to go up at some point. It's going to go up past 120 an ounce at some point in the future. It might not be this year. It might not be in the next 2 or 3 years. I don't know. But I know that at some point it's going to go up. So to me personally, right now, it's an opportunity for people to get involved if you're not already involved in silver, because it's at a good point right now. It's very affordable for most people, and with the opportunity that I'm a part of, not only can you get a free silver bar just for checking us out, but you can order fractional silver. All right. We have an auto wealth delivery system where you can set up the amount of silver you want sent to your doorstep on autopilot every single month, so you don't even have to worry about it. Right? It's like having taxes come out of your paycheck, or having money coming out of your paycheck that gets distributed to a health savings account or a 401k account. You don't even have to think about it. So that's what I do. I have this set up to where I get a certain amount of silver delivered to me automatically every single month, and I don't even have to think about it. All right? And then I share the opportunity with other people, and when they join and they make purchases, I make commissions. And you can do the same thing. All right? You can go to freesilverbar.com. I'll put a link down below this video, and go check this out. All right? It's a great way to collect or stack silver on autopilot, and then share the opportunity if you want to. You don't have to, and make commissions. All right? It's all dependent on your work ethic. I can't guarantee that you're going to make any money if you join me. But the opportunity is there if you want to take a look at it. All right. So that's where we are right now. I'm just watching it. I'm not really, I'm not focused on the ups and downs. I'm positioning myself. I'm purchasing more silver all the time, knowing that in the future it's going to go up. And that's how I'm looking at this. So, if you want to get involved, go to freesilverbar.com. Check us out. Get a free silver bar sent to your doorstep. You just pay a nominal shipping fee, and then we have the opportunity there if you're interested in that. All right, you can reach out to me anytime if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And with that being said, I hope you have a great first day of spring. I hope you have a great spring season, and I hope that you continue stacking silver. And if you're not already, I hope you start stacking silver. All right. So have a great rest of your day. I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.